parents, welcome to Kids A to Z. Today I am sharing some English worksheets for class 1 students. Let's start with the worksheets. First worksheet is use the correct word from the box to complete the sentences. So here they need to complete all the sentences. Like for number 1, the bear loves, the answer will be honey. The bear loves honey. Second one is this movie is very old. Here kids need to choose all the answers from the help box. Third one is can you ride a bicycle, like that. This one is alphabetical order. Here they need to arrange the words in alphabetical order, that is from A to Z, like apple, then butterfly, then caterpillar, then doll, then football, like that. This worksheet is also on alphabetical order, like at number 1 they need to write girl, then horse, then jug, then kite, lamp, mango, like that. Next worksheet is on punctuation. Here kids need to rewrite the sentences using exclamation mark. The first one is hooray, we won the match. So here kids need to write hooray, then exclamation mark, then we won the match, full stop. Here they just need to add the exclamation mark in the right place. The second one, oh what a pleasant surprise. So here they need to add the exclamation mark after O, that is oh then exclamation mark, what a pleasant surprise, like that. This worksheet is also on punctuation, but this time they need to rewrite the sentences using capital letter and full stop. Here all the sentences are written in small letter and there is no full stop. So the first one is Ravi went to the zoo last Sunday. So here they need to start the R with capital letter, make the S capital for Sunday, and at the end they need to add the full stop. For the second one, Nidhi lives in Mumbai. So here they need to start Nidhi with capital N and also need to start Mumbai with capital M. At the end they need to add the full stop, like that. This worksheet is on proper nouns, that means special names. Here kids need to circle the proper nouns from each sentence. First one is Toby had a birthday party on Friday. So here they need to circle the proper nouns, that is Toby and Friday. Then for the second one, it is very hot in Kolkata during the month of June. So here they need to circle Kolkata and June. For the third one, the Alipur Zoo has an elephant named Appu. So here they need to circle Alipur Zoo and also Appu. Next one is color the circles with the proper nouns in pink. So here kids need to find all the proper nouns and need to color them pink. Here proper nouns are Pizza Hut, then Oreos, then Qutub Minar, March, Sonia, Jet Airways, Nestle, Paris, Holy, Mr. Sen. They need to color all these proper nouns with pink. Next worksheet is also on proper nouns. Circle the proper noun in the sentences given below and write its correct form in the blank. The first sentence is he gave the book to Anisha. Here all the proper nouns are written in the small letter and kids need to find out the proper noun and need to circle them. So he gave the book to Anisha. Here the proper noun is Anisha. So kids need to circle the name Anisha and in the blank they need to write girl. The second one is the river Ganges is very long. So here the proper noun is Ganges and in the blank they need to write river. Third one is I would like to visit America one day. So here they need to circle the word America and in the blank they need to write country, like that. Fourth one is Kolkata is in India. So here in this sentence there are two proper nouns, Kolkata and India. They need to circle Kolkata and India both, and in the blank for India it is country and then for Kolkata it is city, like that. Here they need to identify the proper nouns themselves. Next one is write a proper noun for each common noun in the circle. The first one is here girl is written. So here they need to write the name of any girl. Then for the common noun boy they need to write a name of any boy, then any country's name, any book's name, like that. This worksheet is on gender. Fill in the blanks using the opposite gender of the nouns given in the brackets. So here basically kids need to write the opposite gender. Like for the first question, for aunt they need to write uncle. For police woman they need to write policeman. So it will be my uncle got a job as a policeman. Second one is for sister, brother. Then for actress, opposite gender is actor. Then for nephew, it will be niece. then wizard, witch, then king, queen. For prince, it will be princess. For headmaster, headmistress. For husband, opposite gender is wife. Then washerman, washerwoman. Then emperor, empress, father, mother, host, hostess, lion, lioness, like that. Next one is on singular and plural nouns. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the noun from the brackets. So the first one will be, my mother bought a new car. For number 2, there are countless stars. Third one is, Rahul loves to read books. Number 4, a rainbow has 7 colors, like that. Next one is, underline the noun in each sentence. Write if the noun is a person, animal, place or thing. So the first question is, the cat is very hungry. Here kids need to underline the word cat, and in the blank they need to write the correct form of the noun, that is animal. Question number 2, they need to underline sun, and in the blank they need to write thing. Question number 3, she was trying to catch the ball. So they need to underline ball, and beside this they need to write thing. Similarly for number 4, need to underline boy, and in the blank they need to write person, like this. In this worksheet, kids need to color the boxes with the names of animals in blue, then birds in yellow and things in pink. So here kids need to color all the naming words accordingly. Next one is, find the opposite of the underlined words from the help box. So basically here they need to write the opposite words. So underlined word is closed. So opposite will be open. For number 2 it will be down. For 3, short. For number 4, early. Number 5, front. Number 6, slow. Number 7, dry. In this worksheet, kids need to write all the opposite words like expensive, cheap, lie, truth, float, sink, never, always, ugly, beautiful, smooth, rough, strong, weak, few, many, open, close or shut, sit, stand, day, night, start, end, dirty, clean, tall, short, difficult, easy, heavy, light, rich, poor, above, below. This worksheet is on pronouns. Here kids need to circle the pronouns in the following sentences. For the first sentence, we are going for a picnic. Here they need to circle the pronoun, that is we. For the second one, they need to circle she. She ate a sandwich. So here the pronoun is she. Why are you late? So here they need to circle you. Fourth one, Anne is a pilot. She loves to fly planes. So here the pronoun is she. Number 5, they need to circle they. Number 6, are you going to Disneyland? So here they need to circle you. Number 7, they are my cousins. So here they need to circle they and my, like that. This worksheet is also on pronouns. Here they need to write the correct pronoun in the sentences. For each sentence, 2 options are given. Like for the first sentence, Chennai is a beautiful city. It or they is very hot in summer. So here the correct pronoun will be it. So they need to circle it. For the second one, Shima likes to swim. She or it swims every day. So here the correct pronoun is she. So they need to circle it. For the third one, they need to circle he. For number 4, it will be she. For number 5, they need to circle you. For number 6, they need to circle they, like that. That's all for now. If you like this video, then please subscribe Kids A to Z for more worksheets and learning videos. Thanks for watching Kids A to Z.